This is an enamel baking tray we made with acid-resistant enamel electrostatic powder. Now we are going to conduct a thermal shock test on it. The test is under room temperature. The temperature is set to 320 C. Baked for 2 hours. Then 200 milliliters of water is poured directly onto the surface. We will observe whether the enamel surface develops cracks or chips. First thermal shock test. Start time 9 a.m. Baking duration 2 hours. Temperature setting 320 C.
不是红的，才300多度哦。
2 hours later, 11 a.m.
是好危险啊，烫死了。
First thermal shock test successful. No chipping or cracking.
看一下，第一片是没有任何掉层，没有任何裂纹。
Continue heating. Second thermal shock test. Start time 11 a.m. Baking duration 2 hours. Temperature setting 320 C.
可以了，没问题。
2 hours later, 1 p.m.
在那边。
The enamel surface dries immediately after wiping. No cracking or chipping.
拍了没有？
拍了拍了，
看擦的这干掉了的。第二边没有问题啊，第二边没有爆层，没有线纹，没有拉裂。认真第二边没问题。
Second thermal shock test successful.
第三遍。
Third thermal shock test. Start time 1 p.m. Baking time 2 hours. Temperature setting 320 C.
没事没事，你就把这个吧。可以，开始计时。
2 hours later, 3 p.m. Conducting thermal shock tests. Every detail of the enamel surface remains intact. After 3 tests, our black acid-resistant electrostatic powder-coated enamel baking tray still exhibits excellent performance.
隔近一点拍一拍吧，把仔细点。